In today's video, I'm going to share with you the one thing you need to keep your home tidy forever. Oh, and best of all, it's absolutely for free. The secret is put away, not down. This one core habit is going to keep your home tidy forever and ever. Okay, that's it. End the video. Bye. Just kidding. I'm also going to show you how to apply it in every area of your home. So the key concept is if you grab something in your hand, if you touch it, if you're putting it down, instead of putting it down, we're going to place it in the area where it lives. For example, if you're coming in your home and you're taking off your shoes and have your keys in your hand, instead of leaving your shoes there and placing your keys anyhow, you're going to immediately grab your shoes one time and put them away, and that same key one time and put it away. This is also called the one touch method. The whole concept revolves around not necessarily needing to touch the same item over and over. If you just put it away that very moment, even if you do need it again, you always take it back out. It keeps your home very tidy all of the time. So here's how you apply it in the kitchen. Assume that you're cooking a meal and you're gathering utensils, plates, every other thing. Well, instead of throwing every item into the sink or even leaving them on the counter, if you have a dishwasher, you put it immediately in the dishwasher. And if you don't have a dishwasher, then you will wash as you go and place the item inside the dish rack. Doing it this way, by the time the meal is done cooking, you will have little to no mess left. Moving on to laundry. If you do laundry, let's stop with the clothes shuffle, please. Let's not place it on a chair to fold for later. I used to be guilty of this, and I would end up with like 3 to 4 piles of laundry on a chair waiting for me. Even though I wash 1 load of laundry a day, somehow the folding wasn't getting done. But once the load comes out, you sit or you stand or whatever it is that you do, and you fold, and you're done. And you don't have to deal with it ever again. Well, until the next load, but what are you gonna do? For paper, you can also do this. Instead of creating stacks to sort later, just handle it right then and there, especially if it takes less than 2 minutes. And if it doesn't, you can create a desk day pile, if you will, but this pile specifically lives in one place until your administrative day. So essentially, you open up a mail. If it's something junk, throw it away. If it's something you can handle it in 2 minutes or less, handle it. If it's something that needs a little bit longer, put it in your administrative pile, and that's where it lives, and that's where it shall stay. The minute you open it, you place it there, and then you don't have to deal with paper clutter barely ever. I guess during desk day, but those are the things that you would have been doing anyway. You could also apply it to drop zones. For example, the areas we have habits of just placing things down. Instead of placing it down, we'll just put it away immediately where it goes, and our area stays clutter free, and we don't have to deal with the mess ever. This could work from anything to like the living room, a dropped pillow, from the couch to like literally anything. Let me know which areas I missed in the comments down below, and how will you use this method in your home. If you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.